All right, we're gonna start with some monster kicks. Can you see me? Monster kicks, arms nice and long above your head and then reaching for the opposite foot. Here we go. So as we move today, being really intentional about how we move our body. So it's easy when we're in our homes, maybe to get comfortable, but we're really gonna focus on strength, length, intention here. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and find a plank. Ouch. You're not going to be here long forever, but we're going to be here in our plank on our hands and our toes, because you're going to shift back, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale forward, find that beautiful plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're just going to be moving through that, getting nice and strong through the core, feeling warm through the arms, length through the back of the legs. Nice full body, kind of warm up, move right here. Make it kind of flow, you know, if you can. Plank, beautifully back to your downward facing dog, tailbone lifts, and roll it forward to the plank. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up, fingertips gently behind the ears. You're gonna opposite knee towards the opposite elbow here in these standing bicycles. So we're getting some nice rotation through the trunk. And we're still standing up nice and tall. We're mostly thinking about getting that knee up. Nice trunk rotation. Arms are nice and wide, so we're staying open through the chest here. 3, 2, and 1. Bun kickers right here. Heels to the glutes, or you kick it up a notch right here. You do you. As you're here, think about soft through the shoulders. Your arms kind of at that 90-degree angle. And your hands, what are your hands doing? You want them to be kind of loose. You don't want to be tensing up. Where can you kind of stay loose? All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down to your mat. We're going into a bridge up downs. So on your mat, can you see me? On your mat, heels close to the glutes, hips lift up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Strong through the heels. Open through the chest. Relax through the neck. So we're not bringing the chin towards the chest. We're not straining through the neck. Let this movement warm up the legs, the hips. Bring awareness into the body. We're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. Again, fingertips gently behind the ears. We're taking it into crazy jacks. So a nice lateral side bend as we jack it out. That's it. So we could also be here, nice and slow, or we're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down to your mat. Belly to the mat, arch ups, here we go. Arms at goalposts. Inhale, lift the heart and the legs. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift and lower. Lift and go. Your own breath right here. Strong through the back. Right now, it's so important for us to keep and gain strength and control through the back body, because so much of what we do is centered in front of us, and we lose this awareness of what's happening behind us. And when we do that, we can start to kind of decrease the control, the strength, the stability of the back body. 3, 2, 1. Come on up. High knees. We're here or we're here. Run it out. Nice and quick. So same thing here. Soft through the shoulders. Think about being open here. And then the arms are not all tight, rather nice 90-degree angle. Soft through the hands like you're holding that baby chick. So many people are getting chickens. It's crazy. There's like a shortage. Anyway, keep it up. Or you're here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down to your mat. Balance level push-ups and go. Hands underneath the shoulders. Balance level, okay, your balance level. This is still warm up. Here we go, down and up, down and up. Warming up through the core, the arms, thinking about the spine being nice and long. 5, 4, 3, 2, sit back, child's pose, nice and quick. There we go. And come on up. All right, dynamic hugs right here. Opening up through the chest and then reaching back for those shoulder blades. All right, this first round, you got to move it, and hold it. So we're gonna start, each round we'll have 3 exercises. We'll move, and then we'll hold. We're gonna start off with a squat jump. So here we go. Maybe start right now. Take it low into that squat, up onto the toes. Or you're getting a little air. You choose. You might get a lot of air. We're gonna do this for about 30 seconds. So keep breathing and moving. 3, 2, come into that squat. Chest is lifted, hips low. Now we pulse. This is gonna be a little more challenging. Let's pulse, pulse, pulse. Little movements. Remember that whole up an inch, down an inch? Think into there. Really intentional, small movements. Make sure that you're evenly spreading your weight between the right and left foot. We're here for 3, 2, now hold. Hold that squat, get nice and low. Keep breathing, and let this be a chance for you to catch your breath. We have 15 more seconds right here.
Oh boy. Oh God.
Nice job. All right, when I say go, you head down to your mat for ball ups and go. Here we go, on your back. This might be where you are, hands placed behind the hips, knees to the chest, or we're balling it up. Keep going, breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flutter kicks. So on your back, you can place the hands underneath the hips if you'd like. We're gonna flutter. Maybe start with your feet up nice and high, flutter them down. Chin kind of in the direction of the chest. You're fluttering up, you're fluttering down. Or you keep that flutter nice and low. You do you. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boat hold. Here we go. Remember your boat. You might have toes or heels to the earth. Nice long spine. You might pick up the shins so that they're in more of a tabletop here, or you might extend your legs long. Go, go, go. Even though we're in this state of work, this is the time where we're trying to focus on our breath. We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your back, bridge dip, soles of your feet to the earth. Heels close to the glutes. We lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. So again, be nice and open through the chest. If you want to take your arms into goalposts, just kind of remind the front body to stay nice and open. Maybe you even notice how this changes the breath and what your body allows for. You lift, lift, lift. Three, 2, 1. Nice and high in those hips. Now little pulses, lift, tiny lift, lift. You'll feel this in the glutes. I feel a nice stretch in the front of my legs up into my hips. Lift, 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 lift. That's it. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. 3, 2, you know what's coming. 1, hold this bridge right here. If you want, go ahead and tuck one shoulder blade, then the other. Make this a really nice, fullest expression of your bridge. Now watch the knees. Make sure they're not coming on open. Knees in line with the hips here. 15 seconds, you got this. Do anything for 15 seconds. Whew. Squeezing. 3, 2, 1. Come on up, rock and roll. Up we go. High knees. Here we go. We've got this level. We did this earlier, or we're here. You take it and run with it. High knees. After these high knees, we're going to take it to back lunges or front lunges. You choose. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take it back. Step it back and forward. Nice lunge. That back knee lowers down right underneath that hip. I see you. Keep it up, yes. 3, 2. Now wherever you are, hold that lunge on one leg. We've got this. 25 more seconds here. Nice lunge. That front knee right above that front ankle. Back knee is just below the right hip. Here we are. If you want to add a little bicep curl to kind of work the upper body, maybe take that bicep curl out, open up through the chest just a little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. Opposite foot forward. Take a nice deep lunge here. And then maybe we add a nice lateral raise here for those delts, right? Sometimes doing these movements kind of helps us not ignore what we're feeling through the lower body, but giving us something else to focus on besides that burn. 3, 2, 1. All right, come down to your mat. We're taking it into a crab. All right, fingertips are facing the glutes. Feet are same width as the hips. Here we go, lift the hips and tap. Opposite toe with opposite hand. Woo! And slow it down. Like I just started to topple over because I was like going. But going slow, especially on this move, is just as strengthening. 3, 2, 1. Here we are. Lift your hips a little bit more, and it's a kick, kick, kick. So now that your hands are planted, you are making sure that those hips stay lifted, that when we lift one foot that we're not dropping the hips. The chest is nice and open. We're here for 5, 4, hi Bella, 3, 2, 1. Now keep those hips lifted. We're in this reverse tabletop. So you don't want to just totally let your head hang, right? But keeping it nice, your head and neck nice and long. Staying open through the chest. You got 15 seconds. So squeeze the glutes, lifting, pressing into the earth through the heels. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. You're gonna love this one. Squat thrust. Squat thrust. We don't put in that push-up, right? Hands to the earth. Step back or shoot back. Find that plank. Step or hop up and clap at the top. Here we go. Squat thrust. Less than 30 seconds. Nice and tall and open at the top. Remember, you need to, you take it here. 3, 2, last one. All right, head down to your mat. Running man. I like to roll up the front of my mat, place the palms of my hands just on that rolled up part to give my arms or my hands a little bit more comfort, and then bringing knee towards the chest. If you need to, you can just hold a plank or hold the balance level plank. We have 15 seconds. Pull it in, knee towards the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come down to forearms. You're holding a plank. When you take this forearm plank, option to be on the knees, yeah, or on your toes. Elbows are right underneath the shoulders. Palms are going to be face down maybe. Notice how that shifts what you feel. 15 seconds. You got this nice and strong. Keep breathing. Nice long line, crown your head to the heels. 3, 2, 1. Now sit it back, child's pose. You have a breather. You have about 30 seconds. Grab some water. And then we'll head into our next round. Next round, you're gonna grab your jump rope or your ghost rope. We're gonna start off with jump rope. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump 1 minute and 30 seconds, okay? So take this however you need it. Maybe you wanna jump 2 feet together. Maybe you wanna do a little, kick here. We go in 3, in 2, and 1, and go, and jump it out. So even if you're using your ghost rope, you have your rope in your hands. You can feel it. Your mind is taking you there, okay? You have a nice rhythm. Elbows are bent about 90-ish degrees. The wrists are not totally swinging. You're giving a nice, strong wrist here, okay? You need to do something a little different. If you want to throw in a double under here and there, I'll give you extra bonus points. Who's got this? Who's got this? So another option, if you don't want to do this jump rope push, it's just a calf raise. 3, 2, and 1. Listen up. Now it's 5 push-ups, 5 your level push-ups to 5 burpees on repeat for 1 minute and 30. Come on, baby. So start with your push-up. Your strongest version of a push-up. Can be balance, strength, or kaya. 1, 2, 4, 5. Then, as we burpee, we either step or hop. Come up to the top. Hands down, step it back or hop. All the way to the earth. Press it up and back. So, we're going to be at different, we might be at a different place here in our counting, but you do you. We've got 30 seconds. All right, 20 seconds, keep going. 10 seconds. Nice and strong. 3, 2, and 1. Pick up your jump rope and go. Here we go. So again, nice and open through the chest. I think seeing my kids, their Zoom classes, myself being at the computer so much, I just really am thinking about this space. It houses our heart and our lungs. We're switching it up. Now we're doing this for 1 minute. So we've got 30 seconds left. Rowing a double under. Here we go. There it is. Keep it moving. This is our cardio.
Really?
We're totally revving up our metabolism for the rest of the day. 3, 2, 1. Back to those push-ups. 5 push-ups, 5 burpees, and go. Just 1 minute here. Yep. You got this. I'm terrible at planning. Yeah, 1 more. Okay. 20 seconds. Yeah, do 5 push-ups. 2. 3, 2, 1. You grab your jump rope. 30 seconds of jump rope right here. So now, if you were waiting to kick it up a notch, now is your time. Double it up. 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 Keep moving. Yeah. Even if you're jogging, just keep that going. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 5 push-ups, 5 burpees, go. Oh, oh. Woo! Nice job. You didn't know I was gonna have a team teacher here. 3, 2, last one. And child's pose right here. Find your child's pose. Big toes touch. Arms reach forward. Crown of the head or forehead to the earth as you just catch your breath. Time to grab some water.
I'm gonna get my tea.
Okay. All right. And then slowly start to make your way into a standing position. There it is. I see you, yeah. I see like these skies, roofs, and I see you start to, oh. All right, we're gonna take the arms, reach them up overhead, and as you exhale, take the hands and clasp behind the back. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna just lift a little bit here, opening again, right, my focus. Front side of the body, opening. All right, you're gonna heel toe your feet to about hip width apart if they're not there already. Really soften the knees a whole bunch, and you're gonna take a forward fold right here, right over the legs. And release the hands by way of the low back. No, thank you. And from here, you're going to just roll up one vertebra at a time. Roll it up, roll it up. And the crown of your head, beautiful. Heel toe those feet out, again, nice and wide this time. We're gonna take the arms out to the side, palms face forward, here we go. We're gonna lower down halfway, hinge at those hips, tail lifted nice and high, and we stop when we're like halfway down. Feel the length in the back of the legs. I need to see the time. And exhale as you fold it forward. That's it. From here, you're gonna walk your hands over to your right foot. And then stick that left hip out just a little bit more. So feeling it through the back of the legs, maybe a little more intense on the upper right leg, maybe the inner upper thighs. From here, you're gonna just shift into a runner's lunge on the right. So that right foot is planted, right knee over the right ankle. And then soften through the hips a bit. From here, you're gonna plant the left hand down to the inside of that right foot. Reach that right arm to the sky. A nice easy twist right here. Fingertips nice and long. And then as you exhale, bring that right hand down to the earth. Step the left foot forward just a little bit. You're still facing the side, and you're just bowing over that longish right leg now. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slide that left foot out back just a little bit. Turn the feet to face forward. Walk your hands now over to the left leg. So now we're in that wide leg straddle forward fold. The left hands over at that left foot, sticking the right hip out just a little bit more. Breath in. And as you exhale, you're going to take that runner's lunge to the left this time. So left knee over that left ankle. Soften through the hips here. And then plant that right hand to the earth, left arm to the sky, reach. And exhale as you bring that left hand back down. Step the right foot forward a bit. This is like a pyramid pose as we bow over that left leg. Breathe in. Slide that right leg back just a bit. Turn both feet to face forward. Walk your hands back through center. Heel toe the feet to hip width apart, and then roll it on up, one vertebra at a time. Some dynamic hugs here. Whoever you are working out with in your area, give them a high five. Carter, give me a high five. Thanks for looking out. Woo, buddy. I'm gonna give you all some air high fives. Nice job, you guys.
Thank you.
Drink some water. Do your ab challenge that Coach Jamie has posted. This is the perfect time to do it. You're ready for it.
It was nice to see you, Meg. I haven't seen you in so long.
I know. It was so
I
good.
didn't know you were coaching today. I thought it was somebody else, so it was a nice surprise.
Oh, thank you. I'm so happy to be here. Yeah, hopefully you'll see me a little bit more often. Watch for the lunch crunch.
Thank you, Meg.
All right.
Bye, everybody.
Have a great day, you guys.
Thanks, Meg.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Get it off pies. Mom, get it